So de facto, this means you've rolled back all your cuts and added more production. Are your partners okay with this?
Мы посмотрим, как будет сейчас в целом ситуация.
First of all, let's see how September ends, because the month is still not over and we can only judge after the month is completed. If we're looking at August numbers, we have recovered about 247,000 barrels out of 300,000 we've cut, and that means that we were still within the October cut level. And if we take a 3-month average since the June decision, we have always been within the October levels.
Но еще раз хочу повторить, это соответствует всем.
But I would like to once again underscore the fact that this is within all the agreements that were made during June 2018. And I would like to remind that in June we decided that we should increase output by about 1 million barrels altogether as a group, and so far we've only managed just north of 500,000 barrels.
Сегодня рекомендации GMMC были.
That's why JMMC today once again recommended achieving 100% conformity, which has been agreed in June.
How much extra oil production can you put into the market by, say, December, the end of the year?
Я думаю, что несколько сот.
In terms of the short-term potential, I think it's a couple of 100,000 barrels. And when we talk about longer-term prospects, a lot would depend on overall policy of the country and on the stimuli which we would be ready to give to brownfields, which are currently being discussed in the government, but no decisions have been made yet. This would determine the upside potential. As you know, we have quite a complex tax system and quite an aging reserve base. So the government currently is reviewing a number of proposals which have been made by our ministry, which would, if accepted, mean stimulating measures for some hard-to-recover reserve groups for West Siberian fields, and if accepted, then we would be reviewing our forecasts and plans.
Which Russian company will pick up the extra output?
Вы знаете, у нас
All companies which have participated in the voluntary cuts have significant output in growth potential. And I can tell you that all the Russian majors which currently exist, they can all increase their output.